Hey, y'all. Oh, my God. Yes. You know the vibes. On the carnivore diet, animal-based diet, I got 3 soft-boiled eggs, about 5 ounces of ribeye, maybe an ounce of feta cheese, and a cutie. Tastes great. I'm going to Alaska tomorrow. I started my cycle today. I got a cold sore coming. It's just... But breakfast is good. I feel like when you're on your period, your face look rounder. Just grandma not mad, grandma just hurt. Grandma just hurt. Yes, this is good. So, save this meal. Give it a shot. Let me show you what I'm drinking. Naomi! You drank my OlliePop? I thought that was for me. I started my period. I got a cold sore coming in. And this muck drank my OlliePop. Drinking water.